What if I forget? This is a question I get asked often by my dancers leading into a show. I will sometimes sit down with our dancers when we have concerns going from a tangent from yesterday about the whole fighting nerves, or if they have questions about going into the show. I will oftentimes sit down with our dancers and try to talk it out. What if I forget is a huge question that I get asked often. How do I handle that? You have been given the tools to get you through that performance on stage. One of the reasons your dance instructors tell you to never stop moving, whether you're in class or out on the stage, is because if you forget, you get to try to wing it. Make up your own dance again, improv on the spot, and then see if you can try to get back into the piece. This doesn't mean that you get to just go out onto a stage and do whatever you want. It's not the way it works. But in the event you all of a sudden completely blank on what you're supposed to be doing out there, make it part of the dance. You'll find that your audience will likely not notice if that was the case. Even still, if you are making up something as an improv because you forgot, it is always better to keep moving than to just stand there. For our younger dancers, usually there is somebody kind of assisting. I myself am often in the wings, especially for my younger dancers. They usually forget that I'm there though. They will have usually rehearsed so much that they don't even realize Miss Christy is there helping them, and they just do their own thing. And I've always been really proud of my dancers for that. They've always gone out there and have been able to just know. And sometimes we have freezes, we forget, but I see those dancers power through and they do awesome jobs performing, and I have always been super proud of them for that over the years because of conversations like this. If you forget, roll with it. It's going to happen. It happens to the best of us. That's why we practice. That's why we learn from our mistakes, and then we know for the next show how to better work through those things. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about I messed up on stage. Now what? I will see you then.